Hello, welcome to the Job Tracker tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will be going over how to generate product installation reports. To begin, tap on Reports icon in the bottom of your screen. This will open the Reports section. From this screen, you can select the clipboard icon in the top left and select Product Installation. The task window pop-up will show you a list of tasks you can select from for this report. Select the individual task you would like to report or select all, then tap on Next. The Create Report pop-up window will contain the report name, orientation, show product, show task list, and show floor plan options. Then you can tap Done. Once you tap Done, the report will generate showing you the project name in the top right. This report will also show you the report name and break down the different areas such as area and group, product, total quantity, installed, status, start date, due date, assignee, completed percentage, and notes. This report will also include the 2D diagram of the project. The report will automatically be shared with anyone you included in the project that was created. You also have the option to send the report to individuals outside of your group. Tap on the share icon in the top right. You can find all of the sharing options available as well as the option to save to files and print. If you want to create a complete product installation report, you can also go through the plan view, tap on the clipboard with the plus icon, and then choose product installation. We recommend showing product task list and floor plan for the most details in your report. Then click Done to preview your report. You can then review your report and share via the export icon. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for future videos and information for all Measure Square products.